want to be a front runner and part of this revolution, and I have taken the first step in this direction, which is by equipping myself first, and that's why I have enrolled in the Masters ML and AI program.
I've been exploring programming and data science for past 8 months, and throughout my data science journey I realized that the skills that I have learned and the skills that industry required are quite different. So in order to learn industry relevant skills, I decided to enroll in the Univ.AI's Master ML and AI program.